Hello, let's talk about DNA and the genome. So the first step in understanding genetics is getting to grips with DNA and genes. The genetic material in the nucleus of a cell is made of a chemical called DNA. DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. The DNA is contained in structures known as chromosomes. A gene is a small section of DNA on a chromosome. Each gene codes for a particular sequence of amino acids to make a specific protein. The genome of an organism is its entire genetic material. Scientists have worked out the complete human genome. This may have important uses in the future. For example, doctors can search for genes linked to different types of disorders. It may also help scientists to understand the cause of inherited disorders and how to treat them. It may even help scientists investigate how humans may have changed over time, and even how ancient populations may have migrated across the globe. Next, let's have a look at the structure of DNA. The DNA is a polymer made up of repeating units. These repeating units are known as nucleotides. Each nucleotide consists of a sugar, a phosphate, one of four bases, A, C, G, or T. The nucleotides are joined together to form long strands. Each molecule has two alternating sugar and phosphate strands which are twisted to form a double helix. Attached to each sugar is one of the four bases. Essentially, it's an attraction between the different bases that holds the two strands together. So a C on one strand always links with a G on the opposite strand, and a T on one strand always links with an A on the opposite strand. This is sometimes referred to as complementary base pairing. It's the order of bases in a gene that decides the order of amino acids in a protein. Each amino acid is coded for by a sequence of three bases in the gene. Now, there are parts of the DNA that do not code for proteins. Some of these parts switch genes on and off, so they control whether or not a gene is expressed. In other words, used to make a protein. Thank you for watching. Please like and follow for more.